6-key push-button DALI wall switch, multi-master capable, multiple modules can be installed on the DALI line. DALI bus powered, no extra power supply required. DALI input. DALI master, signal output connect to LED dimmer and switch. DALI master connect to the computer with USB. DALI bus interface. Addressing. This is DALI single color LED dimmer. We have set 2 scenes for it. Click right to save setting. This is 6-key push-button DALI wall switch. Check them by default. Instance, here you can enable or disable the functions of buttons. Application. Set events and function of each buttons. Destination address. Can set as none, all devices, group or single address. Here we set instance 0 to control all devices. Short press to go to last active level. Set instance 1 to control all devices. Short press to off. Set instance 1 to control all devices. Long press to brightness up. Set instance 3 to control all devices. Long press to brightness down. Set instance 4 to control all devices. Short press to go to scene 0. Set instance 5 to control all devices. Short press to go to scene 1. Click to save settings. Done. We can control LED dimmer with switch now. Off. On. Brightness down. Brightness up. Scene 0. Scene 1.